And a Fox News alert with airspace over El Paso reopening after a very brief FAA shutdown reportedly linked to Mexican cartel drones. A U.S. administration official claims the Pentagon disabled the cross-border drones, and airlines are now scrambling to resume schedules. This type of sudden shutdown has rarely been used since 9/11. Want to bring in Matthew Whiz Buckley. He's a military defense expert and former Navy Top Gun fighter pilot. Sean Duffy, the transportation secretary, put this out. The FAA and Department of War acted swiftly to address a cartel drone incursion. The threat has been neutralized, and there is no danger to commercial travel in the region. The restrictions have been lifted, and normal flights are resuming. Whiz, curiously, though, when they first announced this, they said there would be a 10-day shutdown of that airport. It really was over almost before it began.
Well, Dana, that's a message sent to President Sheinbaum. President Trump said, sit on these cartels, we're going to do it for you. So I think that was a shot across the bow to Mexico. If you don't get your house in order, we're going to do it for you. Dana, as you alluded to, the last time I saw a message like this, a notice to airmen using deadly force in airspace, was on September 12th. This is bad. There's a great Tom Clancy movie, Clear and Present Danger, where the Ronald Reagan-like president said these cartels represent a clear and present danger to the United States. Dana, if you want to get a ton of fentanyl or coke across the border, you strap it on a drone and you fly it into our country. This is bad. We really need to wake up to the threat. This is technically an incursion of our airspace from an armed terrorist group. What's going to be our response?
Whiz, I'm just going to put up a map here that shows the FAA restrictions that lasted just for that short period of time. But going back to, as we look at that map, I just want to ask you about something. When Sean Duffy says the threat has been neutralized and there is no danger to commercial travel in the region, I know hopefully we'll get some more information or video. In your mind's eye, you can imagine what it looks like. But I'm curious about when you said it's a message to Sheinbaum, who is the president of Mexico. Do you think she doesn't have control over these cartels?
Oh, absolutely not. She has zero control over any of these cartels, and they're embedded all the way up into the highest levels of her government. And these cartels kill American citizens with their product, and they physically kill American citizens. Dana, last year, do you remember when Ukraine snuck some 18-wheelers into Russia or built some fake houses near air bases? Somebody pressed a button on their cell phone, the roofs opened up, and they took out 25% of that bomber fleet. If the cartels are starting to use drones, I don't want to scare people, but could you imagine a pickup truck full of 100 drones sitting on the approach corridor at Fort Lauderdale International Airport and flying those drones up into the flight path of an aircraft? Remember Sully and the Miracle on the Hudson? We've seen what birds can do to the intake of engines. What do you think drones can do? So this is big, and we really need to get a handle on this.
Also, just a quick comment, if you would, on drones are relatively cheap to produce.
Correct. Absolutely. Look at warfare's changed in Ukraine, Dana. You can strap a small warhead on a drone and take out a multi-million-dollar tank, for example. So we need to wake up to what's going on. Good on the Army Air Defense folks at Fort Bliss who took down a bunch of these drones. Our young men and women on the tip of the spear. But we're worried about wars going on around the world, Dana. We got to worry about what's going on our own border.
Whiz, you're a show favorite. Thanks for coming on.
Thanks, Dana.